Right. Wheel off, got the air out. Now we need to break the bead on this tire to get it off. So slowly work it around. Eventually, it will go. How you break the bead. Now I'll do the other side. I got it. That's how you get the bead off. Alright, once you get the bead off the rim, or the seal broken, as I said, you need to start working it. I know, probably can't see in, but this is where you need to be careful. Looking where you're going in, and just grabbing the tire using the lip on this spoon. I'm not trying to pull it up over the rim right now. All I'm trying to do is to get in there and go around the whole tire and get it loose. Get it loose and get it away from the inner tube so I don't end up having to pinch flat. So just take your time, and as you get it looser and looser and away from the inner tube, as you can see, it's going to work. It'll want to start to come out for you. Where at first it's not acting like that. But you just want to make sure you get around the whole tire. Like I said, take your time, making sure you get the tire and not inner tube. Like that. battery second one. Start working it. So. Want to cooperate now. Each time I'm going in, I'm making real sure I'm using the curl on this lever and getting my tire only. That's why I'm standing on top of it the way I am. There. That's how you get the first part off. Alright, getting the rest of the tire off. I undid the valve stem nut and I'm going through and with the curl of this facing down, I'm going through to the other side, to this side of the rim wall, and I'm just going to pry the tire softly off. But key thing is when I'm going through this, I'm making sure my inner tube is on top of this lever. I'm not going through and pinching my tube. Oops. That's a fucking whoopsie. Okay, try again. Started on one, move slightly over, and just slowly walk your levers like this. And it will come. I'm just paying real close attention. I'm not getting any inner tube. And then you'll get to a point where this will pull off with your hand. And that's the point I'm slowly trying to get to right now. We're just about there. One more. I got it. There we go. This should be it. That's how you get your tire off. Slow and easy, and this type of thing where you work the levers, they don't work you. As I said in the other video, if you're getting exhausted and sweating buckets and stuff, then your technique needs readjusting. So, now, same with the rear, now is the perfect opportunity to clean this, clean everything, clean stuff that you can't get your hands in normally. because while we're cleaning, we're also looking over for messed up stuff, like cracked rotors like I had on my rear wheel. So cleaning off camera, and we'll be back later to get the new tire on.